Alexa Dellanos, born December 30, 1995, is an American actress, fashion model, YouTuber, and social media personality. Alexa Dellanos was born and brought up in the United States. She holds American nationality and her birth sign is Capricorn. Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you. By ethnicity, she belongs to the Caucasian race. She rose to fame through her mother's journalism career. Those interested in knowing more about Alexa's personal life should know that she is currently dating Alec Monopoly. He is a well-known street artist from New York City. Their social media pictures indicate that their relationship is going well, as Alexa and Alec seem to be having a blast together. Her father's name is Dr. Alejandro Loinaz and her mother's name is Mirka Dellanos. Her height is around 5'2" or 158 m or 1.58 m and her weight is approximately 54 kilograms or 118 pounds. She has beautiful light brown eyes and golden blonde hair. The net worth of Alexa Dellanos is estimated at $500,000.